Our BG Performance Oil Change is a fresh start for engines. This service cleans both the oil and fuel systems and then adds an oil conditioner for longer service intervals. First, BG 109 Compression Performance Restoration cleans and removes compression-robbing deposits embedded between the piston rings. Using shop air, the BG Performance Oil Changer will purge the engine of dirty, contaminated oil that otherwise would remain in the oil system during a normal drain and fill process. This means longer engine life, free of performance-robbing sludge and low compression, which increases fuel costs. BG CF5, part number 203, restores fuel system performance by cleaning the injectors and combustion chambers between each oil change. BG MOA, part 110, fortifies engine oil without the higher cost. BG MOA resists oxidation and sludge formation, reduces wear, and protects against rust and corrosion, which means extended protection and longer oil change intervals.